Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a photo frame appear smaller using easy methods. One of the simplest and most effective ways is by adding a mat board. A mat creates a border around your photo, reducing the visible opening of the frame. For instance, a 2-inch or 3-inch wide mat can make a 10 by 12-inch frame feel just right for an 8 by 10-inch photo. This technique instantly gives your artwork a more professional and tailored look, making the frame seem perfectly sized for your picture. Another straightforward method involves precisely cropping and printing your photographs. If you have a larger photo that you want to fit into a smaller frame, you can crop it digitally to the desired dimensions. For example, you might crop a 5 by 7-inch photo down to a 4 by 6-inch size. Then, print the image to those exact measurements. This ensures a perfect fit without any gaps or awkward borders. Always consider the composition to maintain the photo's visual appeal after cropping. You can also utilize custom frame inserts to adjust the size. These are pieces of material like foam core or sturdy cardboard cut to fit inside the frame, effectively creating a smaller opening for your photo. For example, you could use a 1/8-inch thick foam core to build up the back. This method is particularly useful if you want to add depth or if your frame has an unusual size. It's a simple DIY solution that offers a lot of flexibility and a polished finish. Finally, consider how you arrange your frames to influence their perceived size. Grouping several smaller frames together on a wall can create a larger, more impactful display, making each individual frame feel appropriately sized within the collection. Alternatively, arranging frames of different sizes can draw the eye, making a single smaller frame feel intentional and significant. Utilizing negative space around a frame also helps define its boundaries, making it appear more contained and thus visually smaller.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.